How to fix Arlo Doorbell not connecting to Wi-Fi 2025. An Arlo Doorbell that won't connect to Wi-Fi is frustrating, especially when you need security most. Most people get stuck here, but the fix is usually simple. First, check your Wi-Fi signal strength near the doorbell. Arlo doorbells require a strong 4G connection. Weak signals are the #1 cause of failures. Move your router closer or add a Wi-Fi extender if needed. Next, restart everything. Power cycle your router, then remove the Arlo Doorbell from the app and add it again. You won't believe how often a fresh setup solves the issue. When reconnecting, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Arlo uses Bluetooth during setup, and many people overlook this step. Here's the surprising truth. Special characters in Wi-Fi passwords can break setup. Try using a simpler password temporarily. If problems continue, reset the doorbell by holding the reset button until the LED flashes amber. Also ensure your Arlo app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps cause connection errors more often than people think. Once connected, test live view and notifications to confirm stability. In 2025, Arlo doorbells are reliable when Wi-Fi conditions are right. Follow these steps and you'll be back online fast. Subscribe for more smart home troubleshooting guides that actually work.